Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the input function with Python with three cases. So just for your information, the input function is used to take the user input, and we will start with the first example. So we will ask to the user to enter his name. So we can write the variable my name and the input function, and we can ask the question, what is your name? And if we run it, we have here the question, what's your name? And we can write, for instance, Robin. And so if I want to print the variable my name, I have Robin. I can also here print the type of the variable. So type of my name, it's a string. Now I will ask the age of the person, so I can write my age, input, and the question, what's your age? If we enter it, we can write, for instance, 26. And now I would like to know the year of birth. So I can write year of birth, and I will write 2022 minus my age. And if I run it, I have here an error which says we can't use a string for this operation, which means we have to change here this variable, so my age, into int. So we can write here int of the input, which means it will convert the 26, which is a string, to an integer. So now if I run this command, it's okay, and I can print here my year of birth, which is 1996. Okay, and the last example I will show you is the same but with a list. So I will write just a simple list of numbers, and I will directly here put the function list, which will convert the input here to the list. So we can write in input, write your list numbers. If we enter it, we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. And if we print the numbers, we have a list of the 6 numbers. That's all for this video.